Okay, hello everyone. Today we will discuss how to install the OBS in your PC having the Linux Mint or Ubuntu. So we have for reference the command in the left hand side, and we have the command prompt, or you may say the terminal, in the right hand side. So we will just copy it, very simple, and we will just paste it here. So password will be asked. So this is going. So as this ffmpeg is already installed in my PC, so it is showing that ffmpeg is already installed in the news version. For the newer user, so you will find that in your case something will be installed one by one. So in the next step we will just find this one. So just go to this one. So it will take some time. Now in our case, in my PC, it always shows a failed option. So uh, you are about to add the following pp, latest stable release of the obs-studio, more info, please enter. So you just click the enter. So it will come one by one. Let's wait. It depends on the network speed sometimes. Okay, now you just go to this update part. So click on that, you paste it here. This will take some time depending on your speed. So it's here. Now for the final touch, just click here, copy it, just paste it here. So as I have said that OBS is already installed in my PC, so it is showing that OBS Studio is already in the newest version. So I think you will get it after doing all these things. The detailed this command has been given in the more option. You can click on that and you can just copy and paste it. Thank you for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. And in the next video we will learn how to use that OBS studio in Linux platform only. So we can learn in the first video that how to record with the help of the OBS studio, and then we'll go how to stream live in YouTube. Thank you very much.